Yeah, this is Shining Light TV London broadcasting live. As I'm broadcasting these weddings, the nine weddings in the board, and speaking live in London. And I've explained the ashwebis, I've explained the changing of the dress, I've explained the cutting of the cake, the bouquet that is spotted, the bride and groom. I've explained everything on the board. And the bride and groom which is on the board, they were happy. They feel they're full of confidence. They know what they're into. Every column the bride has, they know what they're into. They know where they're going. And the ashwebis, on the column of their ashwebi, I explained the bride and groom. Their people in the background, everybody is full of confidence and they are smiling, they are happy. As you can see, the ashwebi is a traditional thing. This sign of ashwebi is the traditional ashwebi for Abeokuta people, or Ijebu, or your people in Nigeria. This is beautiful. The top of the ashwebi is blue, and the bottom of the ashwebi is deep navy, holy color. In Catholic word, the bottom of the ashwebi is something we use as holy color. And in this column, you can see the bride and groom. The bride wear a beautiful hat and beautiful chain. The bride was so calm. I really enjoyed this bride calmness. She's very calm, full of confidence. I think she knows where she's going. And in this column, the bride was smiling. The groom was very happy. As you can see it, the groom and the decoration of their cake at the bottom was fantastic. The decoration of the cake at the bottom was fantastic. As I'm broadcasting this, I'm broadcasting it live in London. As I'm showing this, you can see it live here in London. In this column, you can see the way the cake was made. The cake was made so special. The cake is a special made. As you can see, the decoration of the cake is so special, and the bride and groom knows the color of the tie of the groom. So beautiful. I think it's light gold. It is light gold. The color of the tie is so beautiful, and the bride was beautiful as well. Look at the bride with the ebony black. The bride is full of confidence, smiling, just a quiet smile. And in this column, where bride have changed to traditional dress, as you can see it, the bride was beautiful as well. Look at the change. Look at the beautiful gold. It matched with the brown. The matching of the material was fantastic. And the table, the decoration of the table, the foundation of the table on top of the bottom of the cake was so beautiful. It's pure white, highlighting with blue and gold. As you can see, viewer, look, there's a lot of events going on here. I have to analyze it, each one. As you can see, different event, different notion, different appearance, different presentation. The way they smile, the way number one smile is not the way number two is smiling. So they smile different ways. As you can see that when in events, people are quite happy. When people are doing event is a very event. As I've said it earlier on, Shining Light TV is an ocean. It's an ocean, and it's an international TV. As you can see it live here in London, as I'm broadcasting right here, I am broadcasting in London, and look at amount of confidence. This column is full of confidence. As you can see, the fittings of the dress, the difference were made in different styles, because the way A dress is not the way B dress, and the appearance, the presentation of the bride, the cutting of the cake, where they know what they are into. They know, because today I'm going to focus on wedding. As I'm speaking to you in London right now live, I'm focusing on wedding. As I'm speaking, you can see the bride and groom in each column. As I show you column B, I'm going to show you column A, and each one I'm going to analyze it, the way the dress fall, the strain, the veil. You can see it. This is Shining Light TV London broadcasting live. As I'm speaking to you right now, I'm broadcasting live here right now. Shining Light TV London. I'm broadcasting live. As I have shown you this, you have seen it. So in different colors, different way. in this column and keep our focus on the hand, the way the two of them bind their hand. The way the two of them, I think in this board, this is the only way, this is the only column they are cutting cake. You can see the binding on the hand. The bride hand is at the bottom, while the groom hand is on top. That's unity, understanding, and love. Unity, understanding, and love. That is why marriage is something of love. Marriage is an institution ordained by God. God is the first miracle that God did. Marriage is something that God have made. It's not made by man. In the beginning, God have made it. As I'm broadcasting this, you can see the cake. You can see